Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever felt you are working so hard every day, yet not moving closer to your dreams? You are not alone. Many people are busy but not productive. They are walking so fast but in a wrong direction. So in this video, we will learn how to decide the right direction to achieve our goal. Because hard work only pays off when it is done in the right way. So, my friend, think about it. How many people start something with excitement but give up halfway? It's not because they are lazy, it's because they never had the right direction. So, without a direction, even a fastest runner goes nowhere. So before chasing your dream, you must ask, am I moving in the right direction? So my friend, now let's understand why direction matter. Direction gives meaning to effort. If you, if you are climbing a mountain, okay, then it's not about how fast you climb. It's about whether you are climbing right direction. So many people set goals like I want to be a successful, I want to earn more and more money. But success and money both have many directions. So first step is clarity, and let's understand how to find that clarity. So now I'm going to share some steps how to decide the right direction. So first step is know your why. WHY. Know your why. Ask yourself, why do you want to achieve this goal? Your why is your fuel. When you know the reason, your direction becomes clear. So, second step, identify your strength. List what you are good at: speaking, writing, selling, teaching, online business, organizing, extra. So, your direction should align with your natural strength. So, step 3, learn from the right people. Find mentor, coach, successful people in your field. Don't follow everyone, follow someone who has already achieved that you want. So, step 4, research and experiment. So, before choosing one direction, try some small experiment. For example, if you want to start your online business, okay, then test your idea on a small scale. Experiments gives clarity faster than overthinking. Step 5, set a milestone and track progress. It means every milestone will show if you are on the right path. If not, then you can adjust your direction early. So now let me tell you a motivational story. Two friends wanted to reach a treasury hidden in a forest. One started running fast without map, and other took a time to study map, plan the route, and then walked steadily. So guess who reached fast? The one who knew the right direction. So don't run fast. First understand where to run. So in real life, successful people are not ones who work 24 hours, but the ones who work smartly and strategically. So my friend, always remember these steps. Know your why, use your strength, learn from the right people, test your path, and track your progress. Direction is the compass of your dream. If you have the right direction, success will surely find you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more motivational video in English language. So, You can also learn English, how you can speak and how you can make sentence in a motivational story. So thank you very much.